I would be really bad in a cooler area because I'm just in Youngstown, Ohio. So if I actually went out somewhere to where like there's nothing but cool things, I would never stop taking pictures. That's kind of a problem. I might climb down this just because I'm feeling risky. It's a bad idea. Because if I fall, I'm probably gonna die. Yeah, I can tell you guys one thing for sure. Not every day you're gonna feel like it. But these are the days you gotta be disciplined enough to just go do it. So I just did 10 miles by bike. I did 3.2 miles running, and I did the bleachers, which is running up and down the bleachers a bunch of times. Real happy with that workout. Now I gotta go edit some videos, post some stuff, eBay it up a little bit, do my work, say hi to the dogs. What's up, guys? What's up, man?